Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fade in and fade out video in CapCut PC. If you want your video to open gently from black and close with a clean, professional dip back to black, this quick method is all you need, and it works without touching a single keyframe. Adding fade effects is a simple way to make your videos feel smoother and more professional. A fade in helps create a softer introduction, while a fade out gives your ending a more complete and polished feel. This technique works especially well for YouTube videos, tutorials, cinematic edits, and presentations where you want clean transitions. With your clip already placed on the timeline, start by clicking the video clip so it's highlighted. This tells CapCut you want to adjust settings for that specific clip. Make sure you select the correct clip if your timeline has multiple videos. CapCut applies the animation settings only to the clip you currently have selected, so choosing the right layer is important. Now look to the top right of the screen for the Properties panel. Find and select the Animation tab. This is where CapCut keeps its built-in motion presets, including smooth fades you can apply instantly. The Animation section is useful because it gives you ready-made effects without needing to manually create movement. For beginners, these presets are a quick way to achieve professional-looking results with very little effort. Inside the Animation tab, make sure you're in the In category. Click on the preset labeled Fade In. The effect applies immediately, but to make it feel refined and cinematic, head to the bottom of that same panel and drag the duration slider to exactly 1.0 seconds. A 1-second fade is a great default because it's long enough to feel intentional and polished, yet short enough to keep your pacing snappy. You can always experiment with different durations, depending on your video style. A shorter fade can feel more energetic for fast content, while a longer fade can create a slower and more emotional introduction. You'll see the setting update in real time, and you can always find Tune Later if your edit's rhythm calls for it. Now let's match the ending. Still in that same animation panel, switch over to the Out sub-tab. Scroll slightly if you need to, then click on the Fade Out preset, just like before. Drag the duration slider to 1.0 seconds. Keeping the in and out durations consistent helps your video feel balanced from start to finish, and it saves you from micromanaging transitions across multiple clips. Using the same timing for both effects creates a smoother viewing experience. When the opening and ending have a similar style, your video feels more connected and professionally edited. Time to preview. Bring your timeline playhead back to the very start and press play. You should see your video gracefully fade in from a clean black screen. Play through your content, and then gently dissolve back to black at the very end. It's subtle, elegant, and it adds that finishing touch viewers expect from polished edits. A small effect like this can make a big difference, because it removes sudden starts and stops. Instead of your video appearing instantly, the viewer gets a smoother transition into your content. What makes this approach so efficient is that you're using CapCut's built-in animation presets instead of creating manual keyframes. That means fewer clicks, no guesswork, and perfectly smooth ramps every time. Manual keyframes give you more control, but for simple fade effects, CapCut's built-in animations are usually faster and easier. They help you achieve the same clean result while saving editing time. If your project's tone shifts, maybe you need a snappier open or a slower, more emotional close. You can simply adjust the duration sliders later without redoing anything else. This flexibility is helpful when editing different types of videos. You can quickly change the timing for a fast tutorial, a dramatic scene, a vlog, or a business presentation without rebuilding the effect. And that's it. A professional fade in at the start, a clean fade out at the end, done in